Love coffee, the taste and aroma, but brewing it is a hassle? We've got you covered. We've totally reinvented the Mocha Coffee Maker. Now it's packed with hundreds of steel balls to triple the pressure of water, getting every bit of flavor out. High pressure allows to achieve more rich and strong taste from the same amount of beans. Hot water goes through the miniature balls, dividing into hundreds of streamlets for perfect brewing. A few minutes later, you got a cup or three of really strong, aromatic espresso. Want cappuccino? Froth some milk? Grab a bigger cup and add some milk foam. Wait, actually, today's special is a mochaccino. Now that's how you start your day. And clean up easier than making the coffee. Just dump the waste, rinse the basket, done. Occasionally, boil some water to clean the balls. Meet our coffee maker with balls.